Hey guys, for this video we're going to take a look at this TOPDON TC View thermal imaging camera. They were nice enough to send me this for free so I can make a video showing it to you. I've been playing with it for about a week now and I'm telling you this thing is amazing. It has got to be one of my favorite items that have been sent to me in a very long time. It is fun to play with, full of usefulness, and works great. So we're going to test it out here in 1 second. I'll just show you. We've got the lens there on the front, says TC View, TOPDON on the back. It is a USB-C, so you plug it into the port on your phone, but they also give you a USB cable because you can also use it on your computer. We get a full zip case, and you'll see there's a nice little cutout here, padded foam guy, and this is a high-tech device. We want to protect it the best we can, so it's nice to have that case, make sure it doesn't get damaged. We also get a little lens cleaning cloth, and you'll get instructions. Now, to use it on your phone, your Android device, you're going to have to download the TC001 app. Nice thing about a USB-C is it can run in either direction, so you can have the camera facing towards you, or you can flip it around the other way. We're going to flip it around facing the other way. And you can see as soon as we plugged it in, the app automatically pulled up. Now check this out. We have thermal imaging mode, which gives us a picture with the different temperature ranges, right? And we can do Celsius or Fahrenheit. I've already changed this one to Fahrenheit. We also have temperature monitoring, which is really awesome. It actually gives you a bar graph of temperature fluctuations. I really like that. We have a gallery because you can take pictures from it. You can record videos. Now I want to make sure I'm set in the right mood here, so we're going to light a candle and see what that looks like with the thermal imager. Let's see, I want to hold it in a way that you can see both the candle and the thermal imaging camera. Look at that. So it's giving us updates. We're at 428 degrees right in that hot center. And you can see the background, if I move this over just a little bit, is 77.5 degrees. So it's constantly updating us a high spot and a low spot. This would be great for if you got an older vehicle with headers and you got a misfire, you want to find out what header isn't firing. This is going to show you which one's cold. You put it on your wall, you'll see if you have any insulation gaps. It's one of those tools that once you have it, you come up with uses to use it for. I've used a thermal imaging camera in a lot of my videos to show if you have a frying pan or something, is it an even heat across the entire pan, or are there hot spots and cold spots? Same thing with a heating pad to see is the heating pad heating evenly. So you'll come up with things. There's a lot of cool things to do with it. Now we do have we have various buttons at the bottom. The first one on the left is the camera. On the far left you have the gallery, so you can pull up your past videos and pictures. The middle button is like the start-stop button. If you're on the picture mode, it'll take a picture. See, I just took a picture there. And if we go to the camera mode, we just click on the far right. You see that turned into a video camera. Now when I click that, we have that guy there telling us how long our video is. And then we can just stop it like so. Now, if we go to the next option, it gives us different ways of recording what's in front of us or seeing what's in front of us. So first is the dot, and we can just press anywhere we want, and it'll start updating that spot. So if there's something specific that you want to know the temperature of, you just click right there, and it updates for you. Now, we also have line. Watch what happens when I do line. I can draw a line, and it's going to start giving me temperatures of anything along that line. Really cool there. If we hit delete, it'll clear out everything I did there. And then we'll go to plane, and we can do like a square. So I just want to see that square right there. What are those temperatures at? You can see we're at 428 degrees Fahrenheit. And then we can go to full image, where it's just going to update kind of where we were to begin with. We do have a menu where we can change different configurations like that. And we can rotate the image, change the contrast, and play around with different things there. Okay, I'll quit. I want to show you a recording just from a video file from the thermal imager. So I'm going to go over, turn on the stove, and record a video, and I'll show you that. So what you're looking at right now is a video file taken directly from my phone that was recorded with the thermal imaging camera. I just have the stove on high, And you can see it doesn't look like a normal stove flame because it's measuring the heat. So it's not exactly what you see with your own eyes, but it'll show you the progression of the heat as it goes up. It's really cool looking, actually. Now here you're looking at a south-facing wall, and you can see the temperature difference between what's the window temperature and the wall temperature. Here is that same south-facing wall with an older window. So this window's old enough to have window weights. And you can see the difference between an old window and a more modern window with the temperature differences from this one and the previous one we looked at. Look at this wall. We can actually see where the studs are. In this instance, it works as a stud finder. That's not going to work every time, though. So there it is, guys. The TOPDON thermal imaging camera. Thanks for watching.